Welcome to the DS Series CMS tutorial. In this video, we'll delve into the browser feature, showing you how to seamlessly integrate web content into your displays. Learn how the DS Series CMS allows you to effortlessly access and display online resources, enhancing your digital signage experience. Select the source button of remote control, and you can see the input source options from the display. Select the browser from source menu, and entering the website address you like to play, or import txt.file, then confirm it. To import a TXT file for the website addresses, you need to type the URLs and save them in a format with these special characters between each URL. Unleash flexibility for elevated engagement with DS Series.